I like trains.
Hello everyone, we have some westbound coming.
Yep.
This has got to be 418. It's definitely CSX.
No.
You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
I think he's on the close track. Yeah, he is. M418, the third manifest of the day. This is probably my second to last train. There is Amtrak coming. Might get blocked by this, but it shouldn't. M418, Cumberland bound. We've got M408 and M410. Oh, there is trash. Oh boy. Oh, hopefully it's empty trash. Please be empty. I think it is. Lots of graffiti. It might be this the rest of the way. I guess the westbounds have empty trash and the eastbounds have loaded. Oh, that's it. Okay. Well, a train's a train, even though this one didn't really have anything rolling stock wise. Way better than nothing, as I always say. So there it goes. Our last train will be Amtrak. Stay tuned for that. There it goes. Have a great day wherever you may be.